Good morning, traders. In front of you, Alpha Fibonacci system with critical key institutional chart that intelligent trader uses every single day on every single trade and riding institutional power. The bullish rally overextended. The bullish rally started at critical key level. If I bring to your attention, this is the last week of October, the start of November. This is where multi-billion dollar orders are placed. Alpha Fibonacci system told you that not to short but to buy the market. Global event getting worse, but system tells you exactly what to prepare for. And when rules are met, you take a trade. At critical key institutional level, you can apply it to any instrument, any time frame, any platform. And when institutions buying, you buy. You do not short the market, no matter how catastrophic global events are. Bullish rally is no longer at 4150 level. This is the biggest rally we've seen in 40 years. Despite catastrophic global crisis, S&P is vertical and prices telling you institutions not taking a penny off the table. This is breathtaking, this is spectacular. But this requires ultimate skills to trade. So this was the most important financial event of the month, FOMC, yesterday. So in case you missed, this is what Alpha Fibonacci Software have done. Identify long points of entries at extremely overextended levels. Intelligent trader understands not to short but to buy the markets. Spectacular, breathtaking, bullish rally picking up this steam. Shorts are weak. When you choose to trade counter trend, you must obey bold pink line. Reversals are non-stop. This morning it's picking up again, but levels are extremely high. Intelligent trader knows that. Not to short, but to buy the markets. Again and again and again. Trades play out on multiple other charts. Software projected tells you if price is not touching your entry, you do not pull a market order. You placing your intelligent stop bracket stops to buy, correct? That's it. And that's simplicity and purity of the system and the software. So if you understand how to buy institutional bottom, if you understand how to ride the power, you are in spectacular shape. If you're looking at your account and you still shorting the markets, you have a lot to learn. This is breathtaking. This is stunning, despite catastrophic global events. So this is key retail chart. This price spelled out clearly. Spectacular week, last week of November and December. Massive opportunities to buy the market non-stop on multiple charts. Now it's not. Now it's time for pullback. All in advance, all before market open. So if I convert this chart to 5, if I convert this chart to any chart you choose to trade, intelligent trader understands this is key level to the downside. We would love to see sell-off and crash, but chance of that beyond slim. Pullbacks are weak. Pullbacks are being bought non-stop. And price spells out that market heading higher and higher. Little retail chart in pain. But institutional rally is vicious, spelling out higher levels, days, weeks, months in advance. So if you're riding institutional power, if you understand where institutional orders are placed, you're trading with joy, you're trading with precision on any instrument you choose to trade. Absolutely no software on this chart. In today's long-term chart class, there will be traders who are on Thinkorswim, on Sierra chart, on interactive brokers, on MT4, MT5. If price is present, the Fibonacci retracement tool is present, apply proprietary levels, apply proprietary rules, and trade the system on any instrument, any time frame, any platform you choose. So if sell-off plays out, it's a beautiful news. We are at retail reversal zone. With the power of the software, intelligent trader knows far in advance. This is junky little pullback if this level remains intact. We need for the price to collapse to at least here. This is retail counter trend, weak, bearish pullback that's been bought at this level for the last 5 hours, where precision is tested non-stop. Your level is not touched, not trade. So here's oil identical event. If day trading is not for you, buy oil with institutions. Can you do that? Despite Saudis, despite Abu Dhabi cutting production to fuel Russian war, Alpha Fibonacci system told you not to buy 90. Alpha Fibonacci system spelled out to monitor for short from this level. So no matter how spectacular supply on oil is undermined, intelligent trader understands none of that matters. Market preset as Alpha Fibonacci chess shows you in advance. Bold pink line is present, it's a problem. Monitor for short. Price collapsed from this level on institutional oil chart despite endless bullish news on oil until it reached critical key buy point. Day trading is not for you. Use system long term. Rules are met, take a trade. So this is oil yesterday before the news. Spectacular retail reversal confirmed by institutional buy point. I'm bringing oil to you day before. Let's go to December 12th. You trading your own little account, you prepared far in advance, knowing quite well there is only one option to monitor for long. Because when retail reversal zone correlates with institutional buy point, day trading becomes a bliss. You buying the bottom with institutions on any chart you choose to trade. That's it. Identical events on every single chart, on euro, on pound, on Bitcoin, all far in advance. How pound sold off from this level, how pound skyrocketed from this level is identical as S&P, as oil, as Amazon. It's all exactly the same on every single instrument, every single time frame. I timed my trip to London perfectly. When London at historical, pound at historical low, that I knew clearly many years in advance. And again, when Ken's daughter gave me my favorite card of all times, it's because her father, Ken, to whose podcast you can listen, making phenomenal effort, trading Alpha Fibonacci system on Bitcoin, on his iPhone, using all he learns in long-term class. He doesn't need to be in today's class, but more than likely he will, because as he says, I become smarter every time I hear you teach. 3 years later, Ken plans to pay cash for his house. That's it. But if you're looking on Brad's email, who was making $10 an hour before he came to the course, he's learning every single system I ever developed. He's making phenomenal effort. He's obsessed with the markets and he's trading with joy. S&P mini future only. CEO killing it. On oil, on gold, on forex. Profit factor 8 means he's making $8 on every dollar traded. Success rate 86%. But when he's trading S&P and other instrument, success rate goes up to 92. Profit factor 17. These are the traders who are obsessed with Alpha Fibonacci system and making phenomenal effort. S&P in pain. S&P is stuck. This is ultimate test. This is very common for trending markets. But when you buy the bottom with institutions, this is where ultimate profits come from, not the top. Identical thing on pound. Identical thing on every single instrument. You decide if day trading is for you, and if not, use system long term with all the rules in critical key live classes. What pound will do next at this level and this level will define pound for years to come. What Amazon will do will define Amazon for years to come. Catastrophic collapse on Amazon identified by Alpha Fibonacci system months in advance. Amazon in October 2021 before the crash comes to Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. You are using your limitless brain, you understand, no matter how spectacular earnings on Amazon is, you are not buying reversal zone. 2022, Amazon became the only company to lose $1 trillion. There is no safe haven in Amazon. It does not exist. Safe haven lies in you and your brilliant knowledge. No software on this chart. When Amazon collapsed 70%, buy the bottom. Can you do that? When spectacular rally plays out, it's because Amazon reaches the bottom in October 2022. That's it. You cannot come to live classes. View videos of prior live recorded classes 24/7. The beautiful rally on Amazon this year is breathtaking. Started at institutional reversal zone. Don't buy the top. Don't buy 190. Buy 84. Can you do that? Can you look at the charts once a month, once a week, once a year? That's it. That's where bullish rally started. Exact same thing on every instrument, on every time frame, on every platform. No software required. But what S&P just done is exactly what we discussed. Market not selling off. It's a bold pink zone. It's standard. It's predictive. Price tells you market heading higher and higher and higher. This is retail chart that told you so, not too short. Do you remember that? No software on these charts at present here. This level been respected for the last 12 hours. Phenomenal work, breathtaking. Stunning. Brad trading. Multiple systems I develop. He's unstoppable. He wants to learn it all. Stunning effort. Congratulations. That's it. And that's Alpha Fibonacci software in front of you, with simplicity, with aggressive longs. You decide what chart you want to trade. No software on this chart. Stunning reminder. Do not buy reversal zone. Identical event as on pound, as on oil, as on gold, as on Nvidia, as on Amazon, played out on S&P this morning. Retail bullish rally heading higher. An intelligent trader knows that. It's all about pink levels now, nothing less. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain, the sky's the limit. All the details in live class next. You joining us? It will become a life-changing event as it became for many. All you have to do, make an effort and obey the rules. You decide if you want to trade long-term or if you want to use system as day trader. Choice is yours. It's that pure and that simple. Billions of dollars not taking profits off the table. No matter what Putin says in his speech, no matter how much Germany acknowledges weakness, declaring that Germany cannot defend themselves against Putin, no matter how much Hamas partying in Moscow and Iran celebrating Putin's birthday, billions of dollars are long, 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 long. And we discussed so since October 23rd. But it's a world of difference if you're buying the bottom with institutions versus here. This requires ultimate skill and knowledge to trade. Very aggressive and powerful trading only. And price will continue doing this if it will remain stuck at retail limited trading range. Brad knows quite well where to exit. Flawless, endless, stunning effort. Brad replaying markets every day. You become successful if you are obsessed with the markets as day trader. But if day trading is not for you, use system long term. Look at the charts once a day, once a week, once a month, and you can trade any instrument you choose on any platform. So I hope you're joining us as I will be teaching next institutional class. If you cannot attend, if you're on different time zone, simply log in member area and view prior live recorded classes over 300 videos. If you're done gambling, you're done being the bottom 95%, and you're ready to join top 5%, I look forward working with you. And you will trade predictive, proprietary, institutional, Alpha Fibonacci lifetime system on all platforms, all instruments, all with software for Ninja
and when
Trader
price
8.
comes to Fibonacci
System traded globally
reversal
from
zone,
beginner to hedge fund
market
manager.
will
Currently
collapse
we're
no
offering
matter
savings
what the
up to
fundamentals
$8,000.
or earnings
You will
are.
never need
All
another system
identified
or
in
software
advance.
again.
Here's December
So please
2021.
view students' performance, which is constantly updated on the website. If these traders can do it, so can you. Richard just sent me another performance which will be updated as he's trading options with system on stocks. Every trader different account, every trader different background. Jennifer, whose husband brought her to the course, trading NASDAQ. All of this under podcasts. Please view all of this under students' performance. So when you read all on the website, View student podcasts and reviews. Choose the option appropriate for you. Private mentoring $8,000 in savings. Group course
Fibonacci
$5,000 in
was discovered by
savings.
Leonardo
Live
Fibonacci
classes, video
an
library,
exact same
trading
pattern
room
repeat in
included.
financial market.
And
Paula
that's the
Peters,
market
founder
this
of
morning.
Fibonacci Trading Institute
On
and
S&P
Alpha
Mini
Fibonacci
Future,
method.
when
Alpha
price
Fibonacci
stock
Retracement
in retail,
identifies trend
aggressive
reversal
correction.
areas days, weeks,
Agree?
months and years in advance.
Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com.